Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to solve linear equation with one unknown. So in this question, our unknown here for question 1 will be x. For question 2, we still have x and x as unknown and x in question 4. Now these are multiple. 3x means 3 times x is equal to 15. So let's solve these questions. So for the first question, we have 3x is equal to 15. What does 3x mean? It means 3 times which number? 3x means 3 times which number is 15. So if I want to write it in this form, 3 times which number is equal to 15. So we know that 3 times 5 is 15. So this implies x is equals to 5. Now if we can think and we want to solve it without using critical thinking, just solving it, so this implies if you have 3x is 15, you want to have x. Since it's multiple 3 times, you need to divide. For multiple, always make sure you divide. So I'm going to say divided by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 3 because I want x to be alone, so I'll divide here by 3, or also divide by 3. So we can see that we are going to have 15 divided by 3 is 5. So to do this fast, you can just say we have 3x is equals to 15. You can just say x will be equals to 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Okay, so again, if I want to explain another example so that you understand very well. If I have 4a is equals to 20, so this implies a will be equals to, you want a to be alone, so you have to divide by the coefficient of a, which is 4. So a will be equals to 20 divided by 4. A is also 5. So if you want to check it, 4 times 5, because a is 5, 4 times 5 is 20. So 4a means 4 times a. So let's go solve the second question. Now for the second question, we have to collect like terms together, meaning terms that are having the variable. So here the like term will have 5x because it's having x. All the x, we need to bring them together. So here we have 5x plus 4x plus 3x. These are like terms. Then we are going to have 7 plus 15 should be equals to 26. Now in math, we can only add like terms together. It's just like you can't add apple and banana. You can only say I have 2 apple and 1 banana. So we only add like terms together. So if we want to add these like terms, we are going to have, this will give us 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, so this will give us 12x. Plus, if we add this together, we are going to have 22 should be equals to 26. So remember again, we have to bring like terms together. This is plus. I told you before in part 1, if this is plus, when it cross, it becomes negative. Plus, when it cross, it becomes negative. So we are going to have 12x should be equals to 26. We try to bring the like terms together. This is plus. When it causes the equal sign, it becomes negative, minus 22. This implies 12x will be equals to 26 minus 22 will give us 4. So if we want to have x, we divide by the coefficient. We want x to be alone, so we need to divide by 12. So x will be equals to 4 divided by 12. This is a fraction, and we can simplify. 4 is the same as 4 times 1. 12 is the same as 4 times 3. We can see that we can simplify. 4 and 4 will cancel, so we'll be left with 4 and 4 will cancel out, so we'll be left with x will be equals to 1 over 3, 1/3. Let's move to the next question. Still for the next question, we want to make sure that we bring like terms together. So these are our like terms, 12x and plus 2x. So 12x, don't forget we have plus 2x. They are like terms minus this 7 should be equals to 10x plus 13. So if we add the like terms together, this will give us 12x plus 2x will give us 14x minus 7 should be equals to 10x plus 13. Still, we still have to bring like terms together. And remember, whenever it costs, it becomes, the sign will change. Like this is plus 10. There's no minus in front of it. So it's plus 10. So when plus will cause the equal sign, if I need to bring this plus 10 here, it will become minus 10. So I'm going to have 14x minus 10x. We have to bring the like terms together because there's x here and x here. This will be equals to this 13. But there's a number left, minus 7. And when it will also cause the equal sign, this sign will change to plus 7. Plus 7. Now we can add, we can simplify. If we have 4x, 14 minus 10. 14 minus 10 will be equals to 4x. 4x. Then 13 plus 7 will give us 20. So if we divide, x will be equals to 20 divided by 4. So x is 20 divided by 4. Mean x is 5 for this question. So our answer, x is 5 for this question. Okay, if we move to the last question, still we have the like terms already combined, so we can simplify them. So we are going to have 5x because 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 7. Then we need to simplify 4x minus x. Minus x means minus 1x. 4 minus 1, 1x, so which is 3x plus 19. Then we still have to bring the like terms together. Don't forget the rule. Whenever, if it is plus when it costs, it becomes minus. So we are going to have 5x minus 3x should be equals to 19 minus 7. If we simplify this further, 5 minus 3, this will give us 2x should be equals to 19 minus 7 will give us 12. So if we want x to be alone, there's 2 in front, which is the coefficient of x. We need to divide 12 by 2 so that x will be alone. So x equals to 6 is our answer. Thanks for watching.